Minimal HVAC zoning focuses climate control on only the rooms where it makes a measurable difference to comfort and energy bills. Start by grouping spaces into 1 or 2 zones based on use patterns and solar exposure, rather than trying to give every room its own thermostat. Use a day zone for common areas and a night zone for bedrooms so you can run different set points without complex ductwork. Choose programmable thermostats with setback schedules and temperature swing settings to prevent short cycling and reduce runtime. Set setbacks of 3 to 5 degrees for heating and cooling when areas are unoccupied. Where possible, use ceiling fans to improve perceived comfort and allow set points to be raised or lowered by a couple degrees, cutting system runtime without adding mechanical dampers. Add local room thermostats only in areas with large thermal loads or irregular use, such as sunrooms, home offices, or finished basements, so you avoid overconditioning. When installing ducts, prioritize shorter runs and properly sized returns, and insulate exposed ducts to keep a simple system efficient. Common mistakes include overzoning by trying to control every room, which raises installation and maintenance costs and creates balancing problems. Keep zoning to essential groupings and rely on occupant behavior and fans for fine-tuning. Another issue is poor thermostat placement next to drafts or heat sources, which leads to misregulated cycles. Place thermostats on interior walls about 5 feet off the floor away from direct sun and registers. Finally, skimping on basic controls by using only manual thermostats can waste energy. Choose programmable or smart-capable thermostats and configure schedules during installation so the minimal zoning actually delivers savings. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other users exchange real-world tips on minimal zoning and budget HVAC choices. We help contractors find work from homeowners who need straightforward, cost-effective installation and advice.